done with the gym, as you have seen earlier, and now we will proceed to our treatment. So we had a gift from slimmersworldelite. We will be trying for the first time yung toning for the muscles. So let's just wait for someone to assist us in the procedure. See you there.
Couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I got the energy to move. And I go back to the dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's still now and I'm stuck in my bed.
Here is the after result from the Maximus muscle toning. Yung feeling niya mainit, tapos may pitik. So, depende sa tolerance mo yung pagpapalakas nila. Ang rule is bawal kumain after 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, so mamaya pa tayo magla-lunch. What is it? Abogot. Abogot. Uy, my all-time favorite. Thank you.
Hawaii ribeye, medium rare with a side of garlic rice and
Yeah.
Please, ang dami.
Yeah, pwede na.
We are currently here at Bansol, Laguna, specifically Sunday's Hot Spring Villa, to celebrate our Lola's 76th birthday. If you can recall, or if you have watched my previous videos, she is the one with me in the I have never asked questions I've never asked my Lola. Yeah, that was 2 years ago.
And 2 years after, we are here with the whole family celebrating this milestone. The villa is a 3-floor resort with spacious garage which can park 4 to 5 cars. As we walk through the staircase, we were greeted by the hot spring pool and jacuzzi that is free of use only for 1 hour on your desired time. Right next to it is the common space with 20-seater dining table and chair, plus the living area. Going to the second floor, the first room on the right from the staircase has 2 queen-sized beds, but you can also request for extra mattresses. This glass window from ceiling to floor is overlooking the pool and the neighborhood. It is also accessible to the balcony area along the second and third rooms. Quick comfort check. This master bedroom has its own toilet separated from the shower room. Beside the masters is the second room with one queen-sized bed, balcony access, and own restroom, perfect for your couple guests. The third room is similar to the masters. These two bunk beds are found in the fourth room with its own toilet and shower room. Beside is the fifth room with the same interior. Off to the top floor, you can play billiards, accommodate more guests, and just chill with a view. You can check them out in Facebook and TikTok if you'd like to. Just search for Sunday's Hot Spring Villa.
I was in and out of town every once in a while. We never got to do what we wanted to. But when the autumn leaves, nature said that you knew me. Wish I could have been there for you. You got brand new feelings and brand new thoughts, and now you're showing it off. I've been stuck in the middle of what went wrong, and all the reasons why. Sentimental time doesn't wanna know what you did last night. Am I the only one who sees it? Is it good enough believing that you're not mine? 'Cause I'm sentimental. Stuff you by the corner, with her hair tied up the same, but something was kinda strange on mine. She's got her hair on her shoulders. Gotta convince myself it's true that you got brand new feelings and brand new thoughts, and now you're showing it off. I've been stuck in the middle of what went wrong, and all the reasons why. Sentimental time doesn't wanna know what you did last night. Am I the only one who sees it? Is it good enough believing that you're not mine? 'Cause I'm sentimental. You're in and out of town every once in a while. We never got to do what we wanted to. Maybe I'm to blame and the one who deserves it, or maybe there was somebody else. Sentimental time doesn't wanna know what you did last night. Am I the only one who sees it? Is it good enough believing that you're not mine? 'Cause I said